Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to look at how to generate doodle images in ChatGPT. So there are two ways to do this. The first one is coming into a new chat and giving ChatGPT a prompt. So if you know what you want to create, just add this into your prompt. So I'll make something up just for now. Create me a doodle image of a coffee cup with steam coming off it on white paper. Make it minimalist. Obviously, you can add in whatever you want, any more detail to get like a better image, but let's see what ChatGPT comes up with for this. So bearing in mind, if you're on the free plan like I am, it might take a little while for the image to create, and you'll be restricted to how many images you can create. But let's see what ChatGPT comes up with for me. So you can see there it says I've hit the free plan. But yeah, it's given me like a doodle-like coffee cup. So the second way to get something like this, you go to the left-hand plane to images, and this is where you can sort of turn a picture you already have into something different, into a different style. So you can see here you've got like camcorder, neon fantasy, iconic, all different ones. There's just so many to choose from. But I'm going to scroll along till I find Doodle. So it's going to ask me to choose a new photo. So I can use one that I've already uploaded before. So I'm going to click on that and see if it'll turn it into a doodle for me. So again, you can upload any images you want or create your own. And it's going to give me that image in a doodle, hopefully. So this is really simple to do, and you can create images in all different styles and turn, images that you've already got into something different. So let's see what it's done to my cute puppy. Again, it sometimes takes a few seconds for it to generate, as there'll probably be thousands of other people using ChatGPT at the same time, and yours is not prioritized if you're just on the free plan like I am. They're going to do it. There we go. There's my cute puppy photo, and it's made it into a doodle, which is really smart and it's really decent. It's just amazing what you can do with ChatGPT these days. Anyway, hope that was helpful, and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.